Living in Redmond offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and modern living. However, for many homeowners, one challenge they face is noise pollution. Whether it's the sound of traffic from nearby roads, the hum of construction, or the hustle and bustle of a growing city, external noise can significantly impact your home's comfort and tranquility. If you're looking for a solution to reduce the noise entering your home, door installation is one of the most effective ways to enhance your living environment. Upgrading your doors can play a pivotal role in noise reduction, providing a quieter, more peaceful atmosphere. Here's how door installation can help reduce noise in your Redmond home and improve your overall living experience. Choosing the right materials for noise insulation. Not all doors are created equal when it comes to soundproofing. The material your door is made from plays a significant role in its ability to block out external noise. Standard doors often have hollow cores, which don't offer much in terms of insulation against noise. However, newer, high-quality doors designed for noise reduction can make a world of difference. Solid core doors. One of the most effective types of doors for reducing noise is a solid core door. These doors are typically made from materials like fiberglass, wood, or composite materials, offering better sound insulation than their hollow core counterparts. Solid core doors are denser, making them much more effective at blocking sound waves from entering your home. For homes in Redmond that are located near busy streets or noisy neighbors, solid core doors provide an excellent solution for noise reduction. Fiberglass and steel doors. Fiberglass and steel doors are also great options for reducing sound. Both materials are dense and provide excellent insulation, making them effective at blocking out external noise. In addition, these materials are weather resistant, offering the added benefit of durability and energy efficiency, which further enhances your home's comfort. Enhanced sealing for better soundproofing. Even the best door will only provide effective soundproofing if it is properly sealed. Gaps around the door frame can allow noise to seep into your home, rendering even the most solid door less effective. Door installation professionals know how to ensure that your door is sealed tightly, preventing any gaps that would let sound in. Weather stripping and seals. During installation, weather stripping can be applied around the door frame to create a tight seal. Weather stripping is a flexible material that conforms to the shape of the door frame, blocking both air and sound from passing through. This seal helps to prevent sound from entering your home and also enhances the energy efficiency of the door by preventing drafts. Thresholds and sweeps. In addition to weather stripping, installing a threshold or door sweep at the bottom of the door is crucial for soundproofing. These elements prevent sound from slipping through the gap between the bottom of the door and the floor, further enhancing the door's ability to block noise. Soundproofing door feature. Some doors are specifically designed with soundproofing in mind. These doors come equipped with features that help absorb or block sound waves before they can enter your home. When choosing a new door for noise reduction, look for doors with the following features. Acoustic panels. Some doors doors are built with built-in acoustic panels that help absorb sound. These panels are typically made from dense, sound-absorbing materials that reduce noise transmission. Double or triple glazed glass. If your door has glass panels, consider double or triple glazed glass. These windows have multiple layers of glass with an insulating layer of air or gas in between, which significantly reduces sound transmission. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street in Redmond, double glazed or triple glazed glass can make a noticeable difference in noise reduction. Better privacy and peace of mind. One of the most immediate benefits of upgrading your door for noise reduction is the improvement in your home's privacy. With a properly sealed and soundproof door, you won't have to worry about neighbors overhearing conversations or noise from outside disrupting your peaceful space. Whether you're relaxing in your living room, working from home, or trying to get a good night's sleep, a quiet environment is crucial for maintaining your peace of mind. Additionally, soundproof doors help reduce noise from inside your home from carrying to the outside, ensuring that your family's activities remain private. This is particularly important for homes with close neighbors or in more densely populated areas of Redmond. Improved energy efficiency. While soundproof doors primarily focus on reducing noise, many of the same features that make these doors effective at blocking sound also help with energy efficiency. Insulated doors, for example, help maintain the temperature in your home, keeping it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This is especially valuable in Redmond, where the weather can vary significantly throughout the year. By improving both your home's soundproofing and its energy efficiency, a new door installation ensures that your home is more comfortable, cost-effective, and private. Professional installation for optimal results. To get the best results in terms of soundproofing, it's essential to choose professional door installation. Expert installers can ensure that your new door fits perfectly and is sealed correctly, maximizing its ability to block out sound. They will also ensure that all components, such as locks, handles, and hardware, are installed with precision to prevent any issues that could compromise the door's performance. Conclusion. If noise pollution is affecting your comfort and quality of life in Redmond, upgrading your doors is a simple yet highly effective solution. Door installation with soundproofing features such as solid core materials, proper sealing, and double-glazed glass can significantly reduce external noise, providing a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Not only will your home become more comfortable, but you'll also enjoy enhanced privacy and increased energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to block out traffic lights, the sounds of construction, or just create a peaceful retreat